14 things Hailey Bieber does for beautiful and healthy skin. There haven't been many changes to Hailey Baldwin's skincare routine during the pandemic. On a video call with her esthetician, Dr. Barbara Sturm, we learn about her simple routine. It's no secret that Hailey Baldwin's skincare products are among the most expensive out there. We know this from her occasional Instagram stories where she spilled her current IT products, with total spending on skincare reaching thousands of dollars. While using the very same products as Hailey isn't possible for most of us, the principle behind her daily regimen is something we can copy. That is, if we know the right products, the ones that work best on our skin. Besides, there are plenty of options when it comes to choosing similar products with much friendlier price tags. That said, this isn't a call out for anyone who has the means to invest in their skincare products big time. If you do, go for it. Want to find out more about Hailey Bieber's skincare routine? Here are 14 things she does for beautiful and healthy skin. Number 1. Keep your hands off your face. In the Digital Skin School with Dr. Sturm, Hailey talked about the importance of breaking this bad habit to maintain a clean face. But why is it such a big deal? To put it simply, touching your face can transfer bacteria from your hands to your facial skin. It can also aggravate any skin issues you might be experiencing on your face right now. So what's the simplest way to break this cycle? Keep your hands busy, use a reminder app on your phone, or simply just ask your friends to remind you. Number 2. Face masks first thing in the morning. We mentioned how Hailey is very big on skincare, so it's only natural for her to start her own YouTube channel and talk about it. Her first upload was entitled Skin Prep for Work, where she shared her morning skincare regimen. From this video, we learn that whenever she wants some extra glow for the day, she goes for a nice, calming, hydrating face mask first off. While she's applying it, she will also put on an eye mask. Leave both of them for a good 8 to 10 minutes before rinsing off with a bit of cleanser. Number 3. Invest in facial tools. Just like the skincare aficionado she is, Hailey keeps several facial tools. Quote, "I love facial tools. I'm obsessed with them. Give me any facial tool and I'll try it," she explains in the same video. She particularly likes an under-eye sculpting bar with her eye masks on whenever her eyes are feeling a little puffy. She adds, quote, "This little gold bar, you turn it on, it vibrates, which feels really nice under your eyes. I wish everybody could be feeling what I'm feeling right now." Number 4. Use clarifying pads. Hailey makes sure that her habit of maintaining her beautiful skin extends to her husband. The couple's favorite activities have been mutual skincare during the quarantine of last year. On Bieber's battle with adult acne, Hailey always reminds him to clean his face regularly with clarifying pads. They help to prevent a buildup of pore-clogging dirt, especially if you've been sweating after a workout. Clean pores lessen the chance of a breakout, too. Clarifying pads are suitable for people with oily and acne-prone skin, just like Justin Bieber himself. Number 5. Never miss your sunscreen. Hailey wraps up her morning routine by applying sunscreen to her face. Quote, "I am very big on SPF. I don't leave the house without it. I don't go to work without it. Even if I'm just working from home and I'm inside the house, the sun rays still hit you through the window," she explains. She also says that she's using a tinted sunscreen. Quote, "I feel like it blends into my face and my skin a little bit better," says the model. Number 6. Double cleanse at night. Hailey does a double cleanse to start her nighttime routine. She uses an oil cleanser to take off her makeup after a long day and a milkier, hydrating wash after. Double cleansing is particularly beneficial for anyone with acne-prone skin or if your skin tends to get oily during the day. The first cleanser breaks down your makeup and sunscreen as well as removing dirt and excess oils. The second cleanser serves more to address and enhance your skin condition. That's why it should contain ingredients that hydrate, smooth, exfoliate, or treat acne. Number 7. Never sleep with makeup on. This is absolutely a big no for maintaining healthy and beautiful skin. One of the most damaging short-term effects of going to bed still made up is having clogged pores. And you know where this leads to? Yep, a breakout in the next couple of days. In the long run, you may have to deal with skin respiratory issues and cell regeneration deficit. Hailey says that even when she's at her, quote, drunkest, she has never fallen asleep with her makeup on. Unfortunately, we don't know how she manages to harness such a superpower. Number 8. Oil cleanser, the way to go. Hailey admits that her genes have a lot to do with her good skin, but she also believes that taking care of your skin is not optional regardless of your genes. And cleansing is one of the most important routines you should never miss. She uses an oil cleanser first, Mara Chia plus Moringa Algae Enzyme Cleansing Oil to be exact. Quote, I started doing this during quarantine and it made the biggest difference. I don't take my makeup off any other way, she explains. Number 9. And more oils. In her Getting Ready for Bed video, Hailey explains that she has, quote, really sensitive skin that tends to be more on the dry side. So with such a condition, she includes facial oils in her skincare routine, both morning and night. She usually only adds the tiniest bit of oil before she puts on her SPF in the morning. She also likes to dab a super light layer of oil to lock in the moisture in the evening. Note that she does this because her skin tends to be dry, so if you have an oily skin type, you may want to skip this step. Number 10. Don't miss your serum and moisturizer before bed. While her face is still damp after cleansing, Hailey likes to apply a peptide-based serum. It's great for skin renewal and repair, which is why she never misses this step both in her night and morning routine. The next item is a moisturizer, which is the 4th step according to the 9-step nighttime skincare routine by Hailey Bieber. Due to her, quote, really dry, sensitive skin, she goes for heavy moisturizer. Her choice of product? A barrier repair cream from her dermatologist. Number 11. The answer to a breakout, spot treatment, and hydrocolloid stickers. It seems like this simple and super fun way to treat breakouts is going to be a hit in the next couple of months. Hailey personally uses prescription spot treatment to deal with her breakouts, something that occurs when she's on back-to-back schedules. Hailey shares, quote, I'm breaking out a little bit right now in my chin area, so I'm going to put the tiniest bit on because I'm super sensitive to a prescription spot treatment that I got from my dermatologist. Here's the fun part, pimple stickers. Quote, I really love the little star face pimple stickers. They totally help heal a pimple way faster, so if I'm breaking out, I will always sleep with one of these on, says Hailey. Number 12. Apply lip balm to wrap up your night routine. How does Hailey Bieber wrap up her nighttime skincare routine? She slathers on Aquaphor, her go-to lip balm. Hailey says that applying lip balm is something that she, quote, legitimately cannot go to bed without doing. She adds, I hate chapped lips. I hate when they feel dry. It's truly one of my biggest pet peeves. Not only is Aquaphor great for the lips, but Hailey also admits she applies it around her chapped nose whenever she gets one from blowing her nose too often. Number 13. Consult with professionals. Some of her most essential products are personally prescribed by her LA-based dermatologist. This includes her spot treatment, serum, moisturizer, and sometimes her facial wash too. It's not a secret that she goes to one of the best dermatologists in Hollywood. We can learn one thing from this: talk to people who are equipped with the knowledge about treating your skin. At least they will help you find out what works best for you and what doesn't. Number 14. Easier said than done, have enough sleep. Having sufficient sleep is the key to getting and maintaining beautiful skin, according to Hailey. Your body needs the rest it deserves, and it really is that simple. One of the most visible signs of a lack of sleep shows on the skin. She even says that when she's traveling a lot, her skin might start to, quote, break out and get a little dry. Ideally, you need a minimum of 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night. Yes, we know how it's way easier said than done, so take baby steps to reach your optimum sleep pattern. Put away your gadget before bed and have dinner at least 3 hours before your sleep time. Drinking a hot beverage is also suggested to improve your overall quality of sleep. If you look like a glazed donut going to bed, you're doing it right. Hailey Bieber has a pretty clear standard when it comes to doing skincare right. Quote, my standard when I go to bed at night is that if I'm not getting into bed looking like a glazed donut, then I'm not doing the right thing. This is true to conclude her skincare routine, both literally and figuratively. If there's one important takeaway on how to maintain beautiful and healthy skin like Hailey Bieber, it's about finding the products that work best for you. Even if you have to spend more on them, the results will be worth every penny. We hope this video was helpful. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing videos. We have selected these videos that we think you'll like watching next. Thank you so much for being a part of Rebela, and we'll see you back tomorrow.